All right, welcome back. We're still dealing with some fog out there area-wide, but visibility is vastly improving. The only exception is down around Sturgis. Probably the most difficult travel right now, right along US 12, 60, 66 down there. But otherwise, from basically I-94 to the north, visibility improved 3/4 of a mile, really most locations above a mile. So, you know, I don't want to say disregard it, but not many problems in Ottawa, Allegan, and Barrie counties, but still some fog, a little bit thickened around the Kalamazoo area. And again, that fog advisory expires at 1 o'clock. Muskegon looks great out there. Look how calm the water is in the Muskegon Lake area. You don't often see that in November. Good looking sky cam. Notice a few more breaks developing in the clouds out in the Muskegon way. Allendale, still some light fog out there, but before the day is out, the students will be walking to school or classes. And some sunshine. Still hanging on some fog in the Grand Rapids area. And I think the clouds will break up quite a bit during the afternoon. But here's the latest in infrared satellite and radar composites. Still a large bank of clouds out there. But once you get north of Big Rapids, a lot of clearing out there. You can see it over Lake Michigan. And again, I think this whole area will shrink, but this time of year it's always kind of a question mark because of the low sun angle and a very light wind. Now here's the latest, and this is what we're watching out here. There's going to be a developing storm in the south central plains. It's not there yet. Weak cold front currently moving through, but a lot of action is going to take place in the next 24 to 48 hours off to our south and west. And we're starting to see that with this upcoming storm for Friday and also into Saturday is our winter storm watches and even a blizzard watch in northeastern South Dakota and portions of Minnesota, the western and central parts of Minnesota. So this is just signaling the first sign of a pattern change. It's been an incredibly warm November and tranquil November so far. Temperature right now in Grand Rapids, 49 degrees. Notice the coolest readings to the south where the fog has been thickest, kind of a reverse of what we had yesterday. And you can see that reflected with the 24-hour temperature change where it's actually cooler where the fog is thickest off to the south. And here in Grand Rapids, it points to the north where yesterday it was thicker. We're a little bit warmer. Wind speed currently calm in Grand Rapids, also Muskegon, Fremont, Kalamazoo, Sturgis, Coldwater. And again, that's something you don't see very often in November as well. Wind should pick up just a little bit this afternoon, but it's going to remain very, very light. Futurecast shows still a fair amount of clouds out there. Beautiful sunshine on the other side of the lake. I do think we'll get a little sunshine and a decent looking sunset this evening. Partly cloudy to mostly clear skies tonight. There still could be some areas of fog. Better chance of that happening by tomorrow morning and be on the eastern side of the state towards the Thumb region and maybe towards Kalamazoo right along the Michigan-Indiana state line. As we head into the 5 o'clock hour on Thursday, it's going to be a breezy afternoon, but boy, anytime you have temperatures expected in the mid 60s in November, it's really going to be a nice afternoon, especially considering what's heading our way. There's the area of low pressure. Yes, folks, that is snow into Minnesota and North and South Dakota. Well, at least we'll be on the warm side of the system initially, but you can see once that cold front moves through with some rain showers on Friday night, then the falling temperatures arrive for Saturday. Wind chills, I think, during the afternoon will be in the 20s. And eventually we'll see a transition from rain to some snow showers. Light accumulation again, I would expect Saturday night, at least briefly, on some of the grassy surfaces.
Here it comes.
Yeah. I mean, a high of 37. I think it's the first time we forecast a high in the 30s.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Yes.
so.
Yeah, it's the first time I've heard it. Yep. Matt, thank you.